Hey y'all, it's me again. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet today because it is hot outside. I just washed the car, so I can't roll the windows down. So here at Panda, I got the wok, seared steak and shrimp. It's basically just steak and shrimp. Looks kind of sticky, kind of flavorful. See that there? Looks pretty nice. Camera won't focus though, but you get the point. So just get right into it. Steak. Well, the shrimp steak, it's okay. Comes with what looks like potatoes, some onions, some green beans, all about the same flavor. Slightly sweet, more just kind of like moist, I guess. The steak isn't dry by any means. It's all pretty flavorful. I can't pinpoint the exact flavor on it. I might actually have another shrimp and I could tell you. Yeah, just kind of a little sweet, not too much to it. I don't think it should be considered a premium menu item where you have to pay an extra $125 for it. It's not that great. This would be something like, if you're in the mood for it, you'd get. So say like a 6 out of 10. Probably would get it again if I'm feeling it. But I do have the backup, of course. And any iffy thing, I always get a backup. So I got the honey walnut shrimp. Look at that glaze there. Nice, right? So this one, always good. Yeah, 10 out of 10 on the honey walnut. Any day of the week. It is a premium menu item, extra $125 that you should pay for. It's worth it. Other than that, don't got much to say. Short review, kind of busy today, so that's all I got, but stay tuned for more. I got something real special coming up, probably early next week. Y'all are gonna like it.